Yo, what's up, Currency Trading Academy? This is your boy Gold Collector. Um, well, my real name is Julius, but as you guys know, on my Instagram, I'm Gold Collector. But yeah, guys, just want to do a quick Saturday market breakdown for you guys. Gold has been giving lately. It's been giving some really proper moves. As you can see, I'm on a 30-minute time frame. Um, Gold has been doing nothing but lower lows and lower highs. It's kind of weird because right now there's a big war between Iran and Israel right now. So let's see, Iran attacked, or the Israel or whatever the war started. It started in June 13th, 2025. So June 13th, that's what happened. And over here on market open on past Sunday and June 15th, price just rallied, and then almost hit the previous all time high at 3,500 over here, but it didn't even touch it yet. It rallied and it just melted, which is kind of weird because normally with gold, when there's a war, COVID, or tariffs, gold will definitely shoot up because gold's a safe haven. So as I mentioned, so June 13th, that's when the Iran and Israel war started. So I'm gonna jump back over to here. So right here on market open, gold just shot the fuck up. It shot up and took liquidity from all of these double highs over here, double tops. And so right when it just shot up, it just started to melt. So over here, I kind of took it looks like a 102 pip loss. Over here, I took a 95 pip win, 79 pip win. Over here, I took a 58 pip win. Over here, I took a 41 pip win loss. Over here, I took a 50 pip loss, which kind of stuck because price took liquidity and just rallied. I should open up my stop loss a little bit more. And over here, I took an 84 pip loss. I don't think price triggered on this one. Over here, I took a 44 pip loss. Over here, a 64 pip win. And over here, this is the one I wish I held. My gosh. Because over here, I had perfect freaking entry. I closed it at 18 pips. I didn't secure anything. I think this is also, yeah, this is 10 p.m. at night. So it's out of my trading session. So I don't really blame myself for closing too early because, it is what it is. And over here, price did a double top, actually triple top over here. Um, and it just started to melt. And over here, I think it took a 32 pip loss. I think so, yeah. Over here, a 644 pip loss. Over here, I took a 34. I think I won this one actually. 154 pip win. Oh yeah, definitely won that one. A 33 pip win, 94 pip win, 80. No, this one I lost. I know I blew an account during this time. Also, because I got caught in this fucking consolidation over here during Asian session. Oh no, sorry. This is Juneteenth holiday. So lesson learned: don't trade on holidays because there's not a lot of volume. Um, 39 pip loss, 14 pip loss, and a 46 pip loss. Three back-to-back losses. But over here, I took a 99 pip win, which is really nice. And over here, this trade did not trigger. But yeah, guys, just want to show you guys what I did and how I traded for this week. So I took a lot of W's, but this stupid ass consolidation over here, this is where I blew one of my funded accounts. So I funded up my new account, and over here, this the account balance over here and realized P&L. This is actually from my Leap competition when I'm in TradingView. So right now I'm like around 2400th place out of like 50,000 traders, something ridiculous. The first place traders have over 100K in realized profit, so I'm definitely far off from it, but I'm still going to continue to trade. But yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and clear my charts, and I'm going to go ahead and chart for y'all. And as always, I like to start on the daily time frame. I like to mark up the all-time high first. I'll mark up daily resistance. Call this daily support and resistance. Because that's a very key area. Price created resistance, broke above, formed as support over here. So very key area to look out for. We'll call this daily support and resistance also. Daily support. Daily support. Call this daily support and resistance also. Now I'm going to jump down to the 4-hour time frame and find my 4-hour zones. See over here, you can see that price is clearly making lower low and lower highs. So all I'm really looking for next week is continuous sells until price takes out liquidity from here and rallies. Or if price comes in, takes liquidity from here and rallies again for a double bottom. Very nice support trend and resistance over here. Yep, and those are my levels, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot. Take a quick screenshot there. Bam. Now I'm gonna go over to NASDAQ because I have been trading NASDAQ a bit. And over here, I did take a few trades during Asian and New York session. So over here, I took a very nice 196 pip win. Over here, I took I think I won this one for 266 pips. Over here, 265 pip win. Over here, there's a nice 739 pip win. I held this one for a few hours, that's for sure. Over here, I didn't want to hold this one too long because I was up $1,000 on the day, and if you're trading with Apex, the 30% rule kicks my ass all the time. So the 30% rule, it goes like your total P&L can't be more than 30% of your P&L. I'm not sure if I said that right, but essentially, so if my account's at $50,000 and I made $1,000 in a day, so I have to divide $1,000 by 30%. That comes out to $3,333. So my total account balance needs to reach up to $53,333 because I'm trading with a 50K account. So that's the reason why. I just don't want my P&L have to go up that high when it doesn't need to be. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my charts, and I'm gonna go ahead and chart for y'all on Nasdaq. What the fuck? There we go. Starting on a daily time frame. Ooh, these candlesticks look choppy as fuck. I hate it when it does that. Actually, am I on the right one? MNQU. Yeah, I am on the right one. Actually, let me verify. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for if the candles are broken on your chart, you can go to this site called cmegroup.com, and it will identify which candles are which charts you're supposed to look on TradingView. So MNQU5, this one, that's the latest one for CME. So it looks right. Yeah, I'm on MNQU25. I don't know why it's broken up, but anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and chart this sucker up. All-time high. Daily resistance. Daily resistance. Daily support. Actually, I can call this daily support and resistance. Daily support. Daily support. And let's mark this one up also. Daily support. All right, now I'm going to drop down to the 4-hour time frame to find my 4-hour zones. I'd like to drag my zones to the next Sunday. Drop down to the lower time frame. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can take a quick screenshot of my levels. Actually, let me take another lower time frame zone over here. Gonna set an alert for over here. And an alert from down here. And I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can take a screenshot of my levels. Take that. And I'm gonna go ahead and look at the fundamentals for this coming week. So it looks like we have a few red folders for this week. We have Monday, Flash Manufacturing PMI, Flash Services PMI. Jerome Powell will speak on Wednesday. Thursday, we have unemployment claims and final GDP. And Friday, we have core PCE price index. So a lot of good fundamentals for this week that's going to push the price of gold and NASDAQ. But yeah, guys, if you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot my DMs. All right, guys. Peace.